Hey there, Prince here, and today in this video we are going to be talking about CoC, Electrical Certificate of Compliance. Now, whether you're a solar installer or you're a homeowner, you might be asking, what is a CoC certificate? Why do I need it? How much does it cost? Where do I get it? What's the importance of that thing? In this video, you are going to learn everything about CoC certificate and anything in between. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's get started. This is an Electrical Certificate of Compliance, or CoC. So a certificate of compliance is an official document stating that an electrical installation complies with South African safety standards, known as SANS 10142-1. It is required under the Occupational Health and Safety Act number 85 of 1993. It must be issued by a qualified and registered electrician after an installation is completed. And it also applies to homes, to businesses. It also applies to industrial properties. So whether you are a homeowner or you're a solar installer, we have quite a lot to talk about here. And let's go down to why is a CoC important for solar installation. So without a CoC, this is very, very important. Without a CoC, your solar installation is considered illegal. It means if you put a solar system on your roof, or whether you're a solar installer and you put a solar system for your client, if that client does not receive a CoC certificate, according to ESCOM, according to any municipality, according to the South African laws, that installation is illegal. It's like somebody who is just playing with the cables. So after every installation, make sure that you get a CoC from a licensed installer. If authorities inspect your system and it's not compliant, you may face penalties or fines. Also, insurance compliance. This is very, very, very important. We sell solar equipment, and if you are looking for any solar equipment, the link is in the description below. Go check, go buy any equipment that you might need, be it solar panels, inverters, batteries, the cables, and everything in between. Go check them on our website. So back to our story. We do sell solar equipment, and sometimes if somebody buys, maybe you've bought an inverter or a battery or anything, those gadgets must be installed by a licensed solar installer. I'll talk about that a bit later. And when they do that, they will give you CoC certificate. Firstly, it's two insurance that I want to talk about here. It's the insurance of your home. Some people have insurance for their houses. So if your house have insurance, if it burns, if there's anything wrong that happens to that house because of any solar installation, you are not going to be paid, or you are not going to claim. Your claim will be null and void because you have used an installer who did not give you a CoC certificate. So that's first. The second one is the product itself. The warranty of the product will be null and void if you use an installer who is not licensed, who does not have a wireman's license. As I said, I'll talk about it later. If they don't have a wireman's license and you are not issued a CoC certificate, and then the product becomes faulty, you cannot claim for your product warranty because the product was installed by someone who is not known or licensed to do an installation. So make sure that you use a licensed installer who gives you an electrical CoC. Also, a CoC certificate, it ensures that your solar system is installed correctly to prevent fire risks, electrical shocks, and equipment failures. A poorly installed system can cause short circuits, overloading, and even electrocution hazards. A lot of houses go through this in South Africa because they use an unlicensed solar installer who does not issue them a CoC certificate. Another important factor is property value and resale. If you sell your property, buyers will ask for a CoC certificate for the solar installation, and not having one can delay the sale or lower the property value. So make sure that you have this document if you're a homeowner, or even if you're a solar installer. Make sure that you give your customers, your clients, this important document. Hey, let me interrupt. Are you a solar installer? If you're a solar installer, we have got something exciting that we would love to invite you. It's a free live online workshop where you can learn how to get more leads, how to get more customers, how to scale your business, and actually be more profitable. It's a free online workshop, so we're inviting you to come. You can interact with me, you can ask questions, you can actually connect with other solar installers. So the link is in the description below. Click it and sign up. It's free. See you there. Let's get back to the video. Who can issue a CoC, an electrical certificate of compliance? A registered electrician with a wireman's license and Department of Labor accreditation. I think I talked about this. So your installer must have a wireman's license and must be registered by the Department of Labor to make sure that they are accredited. They are allowed to install and to issue you a CoC certificate. Not all solar installers are legally allowed to issue a CoC. So what we always see is some people might just have a little bit of experience with electricity. They go and make a DIY solar installation, and after that they go talk to somebody who can then come and inspect and then give them a CoC. It's okay, but sometimes it's always good to make sure that you use a licensed solar installer, so that if there is any issue with the product or the installation itself, it's easy for you to claim anything. Always verify that your solar installer is registered and qualified before hiring them. Don't just take people from the streets, people who tell you, I can do this. Always and insist, if you're a homeowner, I want to see your wireman's license. I want to know if you are registered by the Department of Labor, so that if any of the product that you invest a lot of money on gets faulty, you can easily claim for your warranty, you can claim your insurance, and you know your house is not going to be on fire for that matter. So make sure and insist that the person that you're using to do an installation for you is licensed, as I said, with those bodies. And you can check an electrician's registration on the Electrical Conformance Board. So on the ECB website, I'll leave the link also in the description. You can actually check whether this person who is claiming to be a solar installer, are they accredited? Is it a valid accreditation on the ECB website? So this person who is coming to do an installation, what is it that they check? What are they looking for if they want to do to give you a CoC, an electrical certificate of compliance? Firstly, they are checking for correct wiring and circuit protection. The cables and breakers must handle the solar system voltage and current. The inverter and battery safety compliance. The inverter must be correctly earthed and installed according to manufacturer guidelines. Batteries must safely household and have proper ventilation. Earthing and bonding prevents electrical shocks by ensuring the system is properly earthed. They also check surge protection and overcurrent protection, which ensures that the system is protected against lightning strikes and power surges. So those are the things that a wireman will be looking for for them to issue with a CoC certificate. Now, how do you get your CoC for your solar installation? You have to hire a qualified installer. Always ask, as I said, if they have a CoC before an installation. Ensure all work is completed correctly. If the system is not compliant, you need repairs before a CoC is issued. So if you use someone from the streets, make sure that you're going to again pay a lot of money, because when they need to issue you a CoC certificate, they'll tell you change this, change that, remove this, do that. So always make sure that you use somebody who is licensed to do solar installation. So how much does a CoC certificate cost? So I should say the price really depends on the solar installer or the installation company. Some companies will just bundle everything on the deal, on the project, and just say, hey, look, for us to do A, B, C, and D, and the equipment and everything, we're going to charge you this much. So you will not know, or those things will not be discussed. They will just tell you it includes a CoC certificate. So sometimes you might not know, but mostly if you just for round-up figures, from 800 Rand to about 3,000 Rand, that is the price for a CoC certificate. But you never know, in South Africa, someone might just want to knock your socks off and charge you a lot more. It happens, but always make sure that it's within that price range. Also depends with the size of the installation, how many dBs are also there, how big is the installation, and all the other stuff. It also It also determines the price of the CoC certificate. So those were my thoughts on the CoC certificate. Let me know if your house has been done, if you're looking for an installation. As I said, go get all the solar equipment from our website. And if you're a solar installer, we're inviting you to our free live online workshop where we'll be helping you how to get clients and make more money in your solar installation business. And it's 100% free. So we hope to see you there. So thanks for now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. So see you on the next one.